We're here at the Fabric Software booth at Siggraph with Paul Doyle, CEO and co-founder. Hi, Paul.
Hello. Hi.
How has Siggraph been so far?
Yeah, really good, really good. A little smaller than previous years, but the type of people we're seeing are like a lot more studio people than normal. So
Oh, that's wonderful. So for our members and users who might not be as familiar with Fabric Software, can you walk through a little bit about what you do and what the different applications are?
Sure. So Fabric's a tool for people that make tools. So studios that do custom development use us to kind of accelerate that side of things. So we work as a plugin inside Maya and Softimage, Modo now, Modo Max we're in beta for, and Rhino 3D as well now. So.
And it sounds like you have a few new updates that have come out that have made things a little bit more streamlined and efficient as far as with the different blocks within the canvas.
Yes.
Can you speak on that a little bit?
Yeah, so we have a visual programming system called Canvas, and what we were finding is sort of the premise of Canvas was supposed to be if you're an artist or a technical artist, you could build things without having to write code. But we were finding in certain cases people were still having to go and write code. So blocks are a way to allow you to write code in a visual programming system. So it's a pretty cool concept. Anyone familiar with something like Softimage Ice will be very comfortable kind of coming in and playing with that.
That's great. But if you still wanted to write code, that's still an option?
Yes. Yeah, absolutely. Like the whole design behind Fabric and Canvas is that you're always authoring code, even if you're not aware that that's what's happening. So
I like that. It's a trick. Mental trick. That's great. And then you also have some sort of integration into Unreal. Is that correct?
Yes. Yeah, so we've been asked for a couple of years now, people saying they want to get data into Unreal Engine for visualization, or now more and more into VR scenarios, but they want to bring in kind of film grade content, or stuff at least they've produced, say, in Maya for another type of production. So we've got a plugin inside Unreal Engine now that pulls in data from either Alembic or OpenNURBS, which is the Rhino 3D format. And that's going over pretty well, yeah.
That's great. And what sort of applications could that be used for?
It's a mix of stuff. So, as I said, like VR experiences where you want to bring in geometry. So Unreal doesn't have a native loader for Alembic data. And then on the OpenNURBS side, that's more, people in Rhino are using it for product design, visualize architecture, yacht. We've got a company building yachts. And so they use it to bring their yacht design into Unreal Engine, and then you can kind of navigate through the yacht, open cupboards and things like that. So it's for the 1% of the 1%, but it's still pretty cool. So.
It sounds like fun. And then for our users, what's your website so that they can stay updated with Fabric Software and what you're doing?
Yeah, so it's www.fabricengine.com, or one word. We got forums there, they can come and see what people are building.
Okay,
so.
great. You have forums where people can they also learn? Are there sort of tutorials available? Or?
Yes, so we have pretty active Vimeo channel, and then more and more users sort of sharing their stuff there, and there are samples and so on people can access. And they should remember Fabric's free for individuals as well, so they can come and just download it direct from the website.
Free. It's free. It's a great key word.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much, Paul.
No problem. Thank you.
Yeah.